Okay, so basically we want to remove this membrane, PCB membrane for the keyboard. This is Blackberry Bold 9700 Blackberry Bold. Just want to, this key, the 0 key and the O key, they were not working because they weren't responsive, like they didn't work at all basically. So what I did, I ordered one of these membrane from eBay. Actually, they're pretty cheap. I ordered this part for my Blackberry, and then now I'm just going to remove this membrane off my Blackberry and then change it with that one. What we need to do is just, the first step is to remove this. This is the first time that I'm doing this, so hopefully it turns out, hopefully it works. I use the hair dryer. I heated up the membrane a little bit so that it would come off easily. And now I'm just trying to get rid of it basically. And yeah, this key was not working. And there we go. So here we are. The membrane is off now. I would like to actually, before putting the other one, I would like to, they look pretty clean, but I wanted to maybe use alcohol to clean up the keys a little bit more, but we will see. I'm going to continue this video in a second. Let me just go grab alcohol and so here we are. What we need is like some alcohol and then Q-tips. I'm just gonna clean up this button, the one that was not working before, just to make sure that it works now. And then here, this other. Alright, now let's see how the next part will go. Okay, we need to put this exactly. So what I would like to do now is to apply that, to install the new membrane on it. What I did is just to, what I did was that I used a few of these pins, the needle basically, the small ones, and then I put it inside this part, because you know this has to go inside through. I mean, like, this has to be aligned with the board, right? So I'm gonna use these needles, small ones, to just align these four corners with the board, and see how it goes. This is the first time I'm doing this, and I have no idea if it works. Let me just bring this a little bit down. Let's see what we can do. Okay. For the charger, it's always This is what I'm going to try to do. If I can get this part aligned, and definitely the other part will be aligned as well, right? So that's what I'm going to try to do. And try to get this part aligned, as you can see. See what I did? And then I'm gonna yank this off and put the whole thing back on. As you can see, the new membrane is installed back. Looks to be yeah, it looks to be fine. All of them looks to be responsive. Now I'm gonna install back the keyboard and then we'll see how it works. But so far it looks to be good. That's awesome. Yeah. So far it looks to be okay, and then okay. Now I'm gonna install these guys to see if it works fine. This is how you reinstall the touchpad basically. I know there are 1,000 videos explaining this on YouTube, so I don't think that you would need an installation guide for this part. Yeah, all of them looks to be responsive. In terms of working, let me hook it up and see if it works fine or not. Okay, and now I put the battery. Okay, see, there you go. Now it's turning on. And while it's turning on, I think that we can close this as well. The bottom, basically. Alright. Now just wait for it to turn on. In the meantime, we can can screw the bottom as well. There are two screws that I can close right down here. And the second one. Alright, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna open some email. Hello. Oh, it looks to be fine. Everything QWERTYUIOP. Yeah, everything is fine. Alright. So hope you enjoyed this video.